question 2, part B, given this piecewise function, and find the values of P and Q if limit of fx as x approaching -1 and limit fx as x approach to exist. Alright, 7 marks. The keyword here is limit f of x as x approach -1 and limit fx as x approach to exist. So, apa maksudnya? If limit exists, means that limit of fx as x approach -1 from left must be equal to limit of fx as x approach -1 from right. Okay? And the same thing for limit x approach 2. Limit of fx as x approach 2 from left must be equal to limit x approach 2 from right. Okay? This is the condition of existence of limit lah. Kalau limit tu exist, bermaksud limit from left for as x approach A mesti sama dengan limit of as x approach A from right. Okay? So, this is piecewise function. You can represent this piecewise function in number line lah, supaya lagi mudah untuk kita nampak. Okay, so we draw number line. Okay, and then put the value of x. Okay, the value of x is -2, -1, and 2. Alright, so the first function for x greater than -2, less or equal to -1, the function is 5 minus px. So x greater than -2, less or equal to -1, the function is 5 minus px. And the second function for x greater than -1 and less or equal to 2, the function is x squared plus px plus q. Okay, greater than -1, less or equal to 2, function is x squared plus px plus q. And for x greater than 2, the function is x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. Okay, x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. Alright. So, this is the condition lah. So, kita start from limit x approach -1 from left and right dulu. Okay. Okay, kita start daripada sini untuk x approach -1 from left and right. Kita ganti fx for limit x approach -1 from left. So, this is -1. Ini -1. So, x approach -1 daripada kiri, function yang terlibat ialah 5 minus px. Okay. Dia approach -1 from left. So, we substitute the function fx with 5 minus px. Limit of 5 minus px as x approach -1 from left equal to, for x approach -1 from right, the function is yang menghampiri -1 daripada kanan. Okay, so dia ada dua function here from right, but kita ambil function yang approaching -1, yang paling hampir dengan -1. So, yang paling hampir is this one lah, x squared plus px plus q. Okay, ambil yang paling hampir dengan -1. Okay, so kita solve untuk belah kiri ni. When we substitute x with negative 1, we get 5 minus p times x negative 1. You akan dapat positif p lah. Alright, kita ganti x dengan negatif 1. So negatif positif. Equal to, when we substitute x with negative 1 inside this function, we get negative 1 squared is 1. P times negative 1 is negative p plus q. Okay, and then simplify until you get, okay, 5 minus 1. I bring 1 to the left hand side. 5 minus 1 is 4. P, negative p, I bring to the left hand side. So p plus p is 2p equal to q. I make q as a subject lah. Okay, kalau you tengok ni, bila saya dah ganti x dengan negatif 1, dah tak perlu tulis limit lagi lah di depan. Okay, when we substitute x with negative 1, you don't need to write down limit in front. Okay, so this is the first function. Since we have 2 unknown here, so you need at least 2 equations to solve. Alright, and then we do the same thing for x approach 2 from left and from right. From left, kita akan ambil 2 from left. This one is 2. So 2 from left, yang paling hampir dengan 2 ialah function ni, x squared plus px plus q. Okay, kita ambil yang very close to 2. Equal to limit x approach 2 from right is x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. And then we substitute for left hand side, we substitute x with 2. We get 2 squared is 4 plus 2p plus q. Okay, for right hand side, when we substitute x with 2, you will notice that we will get 0 over 0. So we cannot have 0 over 0. That means we need to factorize lah. We need to do something. In this case, we need to factorize. Okay, factorize sebab kita dapat 0 per 0 bila kita ganti x dengan 2. So kita tak nak dapat 0 per 0. Jadi kita boleh factorize x squared minus 4. X squared minus 4 is x plus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2. And then this one you can cancel. Lastly, you will get, and then substitute x with 2, you will get 4. Okay, so this is equation 2. And then you solve simultaneously between equation 1 and 2 to get p and q. Okay, you solve between 1 and 2, solve simultaneously. In this case, I substitute equation 1 into equation 2. And then I will get p equal to negative 1. Then after you get p, you substitute into either equation 1 or equation 2 to get q. Right, substitute p equal to negative 1 into equation 1, you will get q equal to 2. So the final answer is p equal to negative 1 and q equal to 2. Alright. So that's it for question number 2.